Hi, my name is The Gambit, and I'm gonna show you one of my games that I've played. It starts with the move e4. I then play c5, the Sicilian defense. He plays f4, the McDonald attack. I then develop my knight to c6. He does the same by developing his knight to f3. I play g6 to prepare to fianchetto my bishop. He plays c4 to keep the position closed. I do just that by playing bishop to g7. He then plays e5 to dominate the center. I play e6. He then develops his knight by playing c3. I then develop my knight by playing e7. He then plays d4. I play knight to f5. He then plays d5. I take with the pawn on e6. He recaptures with the pawn. I then play knight to d4. He then trades knights with me. I take back. He plays d6. I castle my king. He plays knight to c5. I play pawn to b6. I attack his knight by playing bishop to c7. I take his powerful knight. He threatens to win my rook. I move my rook. He then plays queen to d3. I retreat my knight. He plays pawn to f5. I then take with the pawn. He then takes with the rook. I now go back to threaten his rook. He puts his rook there to pin my bishop. I kick his rook. He moves his rook out of danger. I then move my king to get out of the pin. That move is a blunder because now I can go to knight to e2, forking the king and the queen. He moves his king out of danger. I take the queen with check. He then recaptures with the pawn. I then take his pawn. He then takes my pawn. I then try to trade rooks with him. He doesn't trade rooks with me. I take his pawn. That is actually a blunder because I can play queen to h4 check. And then I can play queen to d4, winning the rook. I take the rook. He then takes my pawn, but now I can go to rook to g6 with a discovered check. I then take his hanging bishop. He plays rook to f1. I check him with the queen. I now play rook to f6. I take his rook. He takes back. I now pin the bishop to the king. He moves out of danger. Then I take the pawn. And here he resigned. So I won and I gained 6 elo points. My elo is now 1577. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again in the next video.